Hello boys and girls and welcome back to the channel. In this episode I will go and buy a car. I bought myself nice trailer so that I won't have a problem to bring the car, and it fits perfect on a millimeter. And from this side I had to make the hole on the wall so that I can put them into the garage. I don't have a driving license for this, but for now. And I have a rear camera as well. It is a BMW E46 2002 facelift. This is 318 diesel and it has a high pressure fuel injection pump failure. It has a couple of rust spots. Then I found a couple of other issues, and then we discussed about price and we had a deal. I like this car because it looks like a mini E39. It has a sunroof. It has a glass sunroof. I like sunroof. It has a towing hook and it has a tilting rear seats. It is a good basis for a project car and I'm really looking forward.
Pa dobro, da, zadnju stranu samo, ne? Sve četiri idu, a? Ovo montavamo ga sad. Dobro. Sad sva živo osiguranja idu.
Mašnica gore i to.
Da.
Samo da ne murim prije dok
Imamo mi nekako roze, to sam ja vidjela puno jako leti.
Pa najbolje, eto. Najbolje, realno. Ništa vezati, ništa, nek iti zvaka Bog.
Evo mladić.
Hvala, izvolite.
Hvala. Sretno vam bilo.
Hvala, vama isto. Doviđenja. Let's see now if my workout helps. Ooh, definitely. Perfect. Car is now at home. Let's take a quick review. And the interior is in a decent condition, only needs a good cleaning. Let's see now the Christmas tree. Radio is working, air condition. It has a sunroof and it is in working condition. But it needs to be adjusted. Windows are not working. This one is not working. This one is not working. This is working. Here as well. It has a towing hook. I like it. And here the rear seats are tilting, so I can tilt the rear seats. This is also a nice feature. And here is this key bag. Now the engine bay. This is the M47. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with this car yet, but first I will try to fix the engine and then do some detailing. If I won't be able to fix the engine, and then who knows, maybe it will be electric. I don't know, I'm not sure, but right now I don't need another electric car because one is enough for me. And yeah, this is it for this video. Thanks for watching. And one more thing, I'm selling this aluminum ring. And with this one, you are able to mount the facelift M steering wheel to older E39 cars, to pre-facelift cars. And this is the way how you can add some value into your cars, because these cars are going up in value. Not mention only the M5 or 540, but even the basic spec if they are in the decent condition. So you can add an extra value in it. So anyway, if you don't have the E39, you can still buy it as a souvenir because this is the piece of art. So this is how you can support the channel. You have the price and email down below into the description so you can order it. Or if you think you don't have enough experience to do it, you can send the steering wheel to me and I can do it for you. And this is it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you all in the next one.